can get to the base of the World Trade Center. You can see the firemen assembled here, the police officers, FBI agents, and you can see the two towers. A huge explosion now, raining debris on all of us.
Il-ġurnata tal-ħdax ta' Settembru tas-sena 2001 hija pjaga fil-memorja tad-dinja, mod speċjali għall-familji ta' kważi 3000 persuna li tilfu ħajjithom f'dak l-attakk. Fl-20 anniversarju ta' dan il-jum imdemmi, One News tkellem ma' Raymond Cassar, Pulizija Amerikan irtirat b'dixxendenza Maltija, li fil-ħdax ta' Settembru ta' 20 sen ilu kien jaħdem mal-Pulizija fin-New York, l-NYPD. Huwa qal li dakinhar ma kienx xogħol u filgħodu ċempillu r-raġel toħtu biex jgħidlu jixel it-televiżjoni u jara l-aħbarjiet.
I thought they were showing, they were showing a repeat of what just happened with the first hour, because I'm in denial. I'm saying, nah, this can't be. I thought they were just going back. They just, rewinded and they just showed the first hour going down. But all of a sudden, I hear the announcer on TV say, the Empire State Building is now the tallest building in New York City. And that made my heart sink.
Huwa mar lasa fejn kien stazzjonat, fejn sab xarabank mimli pulizija sejrin lejn is-sit tal-attakk u mar magħhom. Meta waslu ħdejn it-tifrik li kien fadal, tant kien hemm trapp mal-art li ħassu miexi fuq il-borra. Hawnhekk ra xejn li se jibqa' jġor miegħu tul ħajtu kollha.
And then by the time you get there to the ground zero, you see mountains and mountains of debris. And you know it's not stable. And we were there. When we first got there, we were there to keep the surrounding area, clear. And there were, as you're by ground zero, you could see some body parts here and there, half an arm, a lot of clothes ripped, but there was no body.
Dan l-attakk wassal għal gwerra kontra t-terrorizmu li laqtet lill-Afganistan, fejn it-Taliban kienu qed jospitaw lil moħħ wara l-attakk Osama bin Laden. Meta mistoqsi dwar kif iħossu dwar l-iżviluppi fl-Afganistan, l-Eks Pulizija esprima r-rabja tiegħu lejn il-fatt li t-Taliban reġgħu lura fit-tmum tal-pajjiż.
All right, the war is over in Afghanistan. There's a right way to do it and there's a wrong way to do it. First thing you got to do is get all the Americans out. Get all the Afghanistan people out of there that helped the military for 20 years. Because if you don't get them out first, these people are going to become hostages.
20 sena wara dan il-jum li tappan l-istorja, id-dinja nbidlet kompletament. Iżda s-sitwazzjoni fl-Afganistan qed ħasseb lil bosta madwar id-dinja li wara żewġ deċenji, il-gwerra kontra t-terrorizmu ma ġabet ebda bidla.